In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make thumbnails for YouTube videos using Canva. Creating captivating thumbnails is crucial for attracting viewers to your content, and Canva offers a user-friendly interface to help you create professional designs in no time. Let's dive right in and explore the steps to design an eye-catching thumbnail. First, you'll want to visit the Canva homepage. If you haven't already, you might need to sign up for a free account. This is a simple process that gives you access to an array of design tools and templates, opening up a world of creativity at your fingertips. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the home screen, which is the starting point of our creative journey into thumbnail design. Now, head over to the search bar located at the top of the home page. This is your gateway to finding the right design tools that Canva has to offer. Go ahead and type in Highlight to bring up a selection of eye-catching design templates. These templates are incredibly handy, especially for those who may be new to graphic design, or for anyone looking for a design with a bit of flair to catch the eyes of viewers instantly. Next, click on the Templates option. This will typically show you a multitude of designs catering to various project types, including thumbnails. Believe it or not, Canva offers over 20,000 templates. There's a vast library at your disposal, making it easier to find something that aligns perfectly with your brand style or the specific theme of your video. Now, it's time to focus on a template that appeals to you. As you scan through the designs, look for one that resonates with your creative vision. Once you find a template that fits the bill, click on it to explore more details and customization options. This will take you to a new screen, providing a larger preview of the template, alongside a button that reads, Customize this template. At this stage, click on the button to begin the customization process. Canva makes it incredibly easy for you to personalize elements of the design. You can adjust colors, fonts, and imagery, tailoring them to suit the message you want your thumbnail to convey. Don't hesitate to explore the various design tools available to you in this interface. Once you're in the editing interface, direct your attention to the Uploads feature on the left-hand panel. This step is crucial if you want to add your own images or logos to the template. Uploading personal touch elements ensures that your final thumbnail is unique and aligns seamlessly with your content's branding. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you should now be well on your way to creating stunning YouTube thumbnails that not only entice viewers, but also effectively communicate the essence of your video content. Remember, as with most skills, practice makes perfect. The more you use Canva, the more you'll transform into a thumbnail making expert in no time. Thank you for watching, and happy designing.